I'm going to use this black liner to line my lips. It's not coming out the way I want it to come out. I'm going to use this lip gloss from NYX Cosmetics. It's their butter gloss. That is all for the lips. Just simple eyeliner and lip gloss. You are good to go. Don't do too much. Easy eyeliner, just line your lips and add the lip gloss on top. Make sure you clean the edges to make sure everything is okay. And you are good to go. That is all. Don't do too much as a beginner. Don't do too much as a beginner. Just do a little, and with time you'll be doing more. But as a beginner, less is more. Just line your lips and add lip gloss, and you're good to go. Make sure you clean the edges, clean the side. Everything is good, and you're good to go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for following me on this Makeup 101 Tutorials for Beginners series. We have come to the end of the series. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless you. I appreciate you. Any kind of makeup that I want to learn, that I want us to learn, please comment in the comment section. Tell us the kind of makeup you want us to learn, and we'll all learn it together. See you in my next video. Bye. Bye.